Next is tuple. Tuple is a data type which is unchangeable and immutable. It cannot be changed and it is immutable. So we need to declare tuple in round brackets. That means like curved brackets should be used in case of tuples. So let us give a tuple. Let us give a code that tuple equals open brackets, close brackets. Inside that give 10, 20, 10, 30, 20, 40, 30, 50, 30. So this is our tuple. And what else we need to see from tuple is we need to count the number of elements. We need to count the number of elements inside the tuple. So let us give a code that tuple dot count of, so give the value which number should be counted. I am now giving here 10, and let us see the output. For that I am giving runtime run all. Yes, 10 has came here 2 times. Let us check here. 10, 1, 2. 10 has came here 2 times. So it's a correct code. Let us do once more. Tuple dot count of, and inside that brackets give a value. Now I am giving 30. Let us check what will be the result. Yes, here 30 has repeated 3 times inside that tuple. So that the output came 3 over here. So next code is to find the index. So that let us give code as tuple dot index, and inside brackets give the value. I am now giving 50. And just run the code and see the output. This time we can see 50 is the value 50 is at the index 7. So let us check 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the 7th index it is 50. So the output is 7 over here.